Hi, I am going to make a quick kids card using these really cute Paper House soft puffy monster stickers and also the color wash line. It is such a fun line where you can use it for kid stuff too, like this pattern right here. So pretty. It's got gold foiling and it's so colorful. I just really love this line. So this is going to be a really quick video. I have some of the pieces already pre-cut. I cut this from this sheet right here, and this is the back side. I love that this whole color wash line has this gold foiling detail. It's just so pretty. So it's gonna be a really quick card video. It's gonna be really simple. One of my son's classmates has a birthday and tomorrow, and we're just gonna give him a little gift, and I wanted to make a quick card. And this sticker, isn't it so cute? Look how fun it is. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna, I think, adhere it like maybe right here. And this cute little guy. Oh my gosh. Maybe this guy. We're gonna put him right in the center. Look. Ta-da! And I love this little word bubble too. And some of these puffy stars are so fun. It's probably gonna be, I'm also gonna use this Celebrate sticker right here from the birthday planner line. And I think maybe, let's see, let me stick it up here. Right there. And then we'll put a couple puffy stickers like right here and right here. Right there. All right. I know that's like the fastest card ever, but you know, these little kids, they'll just love this little guy over here.